One of my most favorite things about Japan are their vending machines. Hi Juka, what drink do you want? That's not strawberry, that's grapefruit. Maano yan, mapait. If you want, you can have this one right here. You know, it's like an orange and apple. And then there's like I don't know. These are different drinks. O sige na nga, yan ang gusto mo eh. We'll get that. Mama will get that for you. Ako, I have coins here. I'm going to, you wanna put the coins in? Oh, ayun o, sakto, 130. Okay, do it. Oh, Julia, get your coins from Mama.
No, I don't have coins.
Oh, sige, put it in here. Put them in there.
Can you hold this? Papa, do you have 160?
Wala, 130. I gave it to her. Okay. Okay.
No, this is yours. Papa, paano?
Yeah, put all of them in. Put all of it in.
How?
Yan, just slide it in.
And then press it?
Uh-huh. Okay, then press this one. Okay, get it. That's what you want, so that's what you'll get. Julia's gonna get some ice cream.
Get it. Papa!
Okay. Thanks, Mom.